presenting the Nissan 2017 Titan SV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth seat trim, gun metallic, Z66, activation disclaimer, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist and aluminum wheels. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.